Welcome back, I'm Larry. So today we're going to be covering power steering fluid. Now I get the question a lot, can you run automatic transmission fluid in your power steering system? And the answer is simple, it's yes you can. So you look at my 76 Ford truck here, pull the dipstick out, you can see how the fluid is red. This is automatic transmission fluid. It says check with oil hot. It says use approved Ford fluid, which in this case is ATF. Now it doesn't just apply to classic vehicles, it also applies to modern vehicles like this 2011 Ford Edge, for example. Come over here to the power steering reservoir, pull the cap off. You look down in it, it's hard to see, but automatic transmission fluid. Okay, now when it comes to power steering, it doesn't matter. You can use any automatic transmission fluid that you want. You know, we got Type F here, automatic, just multi-vehicle automatic transmission fluid, premium ATF, even something more modern for these newer automatic transmissions. This will all work in a power steering fluid system. Essentially, all automatic transmission fluid is hydraulic fluid, because automatic transmission is a hydraulic system. A power steering system is basically a hydraulic system. So, but whereas transmissions are more sensitive, you have to run a certain type of automatic transmission fluid with a certain transmission. Power steering is not the same way. It's pretty much universal. You can just run any automatic transmission fluid in any power steering system, unless it's a foreign car. Your more foreign cars like a Rolls-Royce, possibly Mercedes, they could be possibly different, your German car, stuff like that. But as far as American vehicles and even your Japanese vehicles like a Honda, all run automatic transmission fluid for the power steering system. Whenever you go to an auto parts store and you buy power steering fluid, you're basically buying automatic transmission fluid without the red dye in it. That's basically all it is, but you end up paying more for the power steering fluid. But anyway, so hope this helps you out, and we'll give you a tip on refilling your power steering system or topping it off. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I'd appreciate that. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.